back. Today we're doing a vegan Trader Joe's grocery haul for the New Year's. So let's get into the video. We got lots of different things, everything from dessert items to standard everyday essentials, great for working at home. So starting off, party thing, we got this is my sister's favorite, one of my sister's favorite. It's Italian blood orange soda. And then we got these are really good. If you like ginger beer or ginger ale, you should get this. This is Trader Joe's. It's really good. It's great for New Year's because it's festive and non-alcoholic. All these things are non-alcoholic. Who said you had to drink alcohol to have a good time during New Year's? And then, of course, dessert item, ice cream, guys, because ice cream. This is Cherry Garcia, the soy version from Trader Joe's for New Year's dessert. And then tomato sauce. We are going to be making a
black-eyed pea koi chili soup.
And Trader Joe's makes amazing tomato sauce, which is healthy and low in fat. Great for those weight loss goals for New Year's. And then canned olives, because olives go great on pizza. Slice them up thin. And then applesauce for baking with, because applesauce is an excellent oil replacer, so use applesauce instead. Organic refried beans, these are really good. These we put in the microwave or someone warm them up with a little bit of coconut aminos and nutritional yeast, and it makes a really good spicy bean dip. Okay, and now we have 2 cans of artichoke hearts. These are ones that aren't in oil, which is super helpful for health and wellness and weight loss goals or weight maintenance. And they're delicious and already prepped, so they're really easy. And then this is really amazing. If you haven't tried this is a great seasoning. It goes great on anything. It's like going to a sushi shop and putting that all over things. It's super umami and savory and very good, especially on these. With a little coconut aminos for this to stick on it, it's really good.
So, next one, oat punch cereal, good vegan cereal. My dad eats it almost every morning. Tofu is a good standard.
It's it's great to get your protein, and also your fatty acids, and it's low in saturated fat, so great for those New Year's resolutions.
Now the corn's going into tonight's soup. Black-eyed peas are lucky on New Year's, so make sure you eat your black-eyed peas.
And then peas, and of course, and then edamames, just like we were talking about earlier, that we use with the seasoning. That's really good. Not necessarily always with that. It also goes really good in miso soup. I'll have a link in the video description down below for our recipe on that. And then mandarin oranges. These are really good. They're great. You can take them with you, or since students aren't really going anywhere, you can bring them and put them on your table and have them, and they don't get your hands all sticky. So you can continue working.
Apples are for eating, and I'm going to be making an apple pie this weekend.
And then we have 2 heads of organic romaine lettuce, and then we have 2 bags of frozen mango, which are great and from Trader Joe's, and
smoothies, sorbets.
Blend this up in a Vitamix. I'll have all the affiliated things that we're talking about in the video description, so then you can get a really good, healthy mango sorbet. Generally, we would get it from Trader Joe's, but they didn't have it. And then these are really good. These are dried mandarin orange slices. These are a great snack, and they're also delicious. They're one of my favorite things Trader Joe's makes. And that's saying something. Trader Joe's makes a lot of good stuff. Then organic whole grain brown rice cakes, because they're great for if you're gluten-free or gluten intolerant, or trying to eat less processed food as a New Year's resolution or things like that. And they're just great and tasty. And then 2 different types of pasta that are brown rice, organic, fair trade, gluten-free, and actually hold up really well and are quick cooking. So great for when you need to just throw something together when working. And they're very budget-friendly, so they're great for students.
So gluten-free pretzels, they're a great snack and very portable. Calamari olive bread is what we're going to be toasting and having for appetizers this afternoon, along with the edamames.
And then we have corn tortillas. We're going to be making corn tortillas into corn chips that are seasoned, that are really good. Stay tuned in the future. I'll have a link in the video description to how to make amazing oil-free corn chips that you never miss the oil. And then we have these, which are really good. They're Scandinavian swimmers, because Swedish fish is trademarked. So it's basically that, but they're even better, and they're vegan and great, and you can actually tell the difference between the flavors, where Swedish fish you generally can't. And then heritage carrots, those are really good. Roast them up, and they're really good, or lots of other things, or with the bean dip. It's good. They're sweet This heritage ones are sweeter and they're less fibrous. And then we have leeks, because leeks are important. They're great. They don't give you as much onion eyes because they don't have as many compounds to create the gas for onions.
And then leeks go with the Brussels sprouts. We have a video coming out soon. Hopefully it's cherry Brussels sprouts with leeks, Brussels sprouts, nutritional yeast, and coconut aminos.
And when it does come out, I'll have the link video in the video description. And then cruciferous veggies, because cruciferous veggies are a super great time-saving hack for students working, not working. They're just, it's great. And then spinach, of course, because you gotta get your lutein in. Lutein is very important for your central nervous system, and that's what they're looking. One of the things they're looking for in the back of your eyes is your lutein content. It's one of the only visible spots in your entire human body where you can see back into your nervous system. Fun fact. And then Okinawan sweet potatoes, or Trader Joe's calls them murokai. Sweet potatoes, they're really good. They are much higher in the micronutrients. They also have more of a chestnutty texture, so they're great as they hold up much better, and they're like sweet potatoes but to the next level. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. Like it if you liked it, because it really does help. And leave your comments down below. What is your New Year's resolution? Or what is your favorite thing from Trader Joe's? Okay, so have a nice day. Bye!